If you are using computer, please watch the left side. And if you are using phone to register, please watch the right side. This page has a video introducing our platform system on the top. Or you can click the register link directly. Fill your information if applicable. It is not a must, but it is a bonus for us to know what we can collaborate. Thank you for joining us. You will receive a verification email after registration. Click this link to confirm. If you log in immediately, the account status may be inactive. We will approve it in our business time. And now the status is active. The most important thing, set up your payment collection method. It is simple to just left your email. Finally, no need to copy the link. Copy your own coupon code and it can track the orders used. Show it on your social media platform. That's all.